Hey besties, it's been a long time since you guys have seen me on YouTube. A lot has changed in my life. As some of you may know, I am currently in Guinea for a while. I was staying and camping in the forest. I recently decided to rent a single room in the town. I felt it was time to create a better environment for myself, focus on my goals, grow my business, learning new things, meeting new people, and embracing this chapter of my life. Thanks to everyone who has continued to support me and stay subscribed despite my absence. I am excited to bring you along on this journey, share more of my life, my business, and my adventure with you all. I finally got my own manual sewing machine. I was saving little by little whilst I was camping in the forest. And now it finally means I am thankful, guys. I can't wait to put it in good use. I tried to open it to see the color, but I don't know. I think the color is black, but I want it to be red though because the this side is red and this side, but it doesn't matter because if it is black, I will be happy as well. My hair, I need to do a maintenance. My nails, my toenails are looking messy. I'll not be decorating everywhere. I just want to decorate where I know that I can film. This room is too big. Just a single room. The porch is outside. I have to be. I don't know if I will see you guys again, but yeah, I think that was a little update. Before heading to the market, I had to sew this pant. I used to sew everything with my hand, but now I finally have my own sewing machine. It makes quite a difference, and I am so happy. There's nothing yet on the floor. I will buy mat, but not now, like floor mat. Then after that, I'll buy something like carpet around the side. Yeah. So those the bags I'm using. So it's not drawing far, it's just a walking distance, but I need to put my money in here. Yeah. Right now I'm going to the market. As you guys see, I've not started anything yet for now, but I'll be here for a while, so I want to make it feel like me. This week I'm focusing on maintenance, taking care of myself and my space. Then we start afresh. Yeah, I need to grab one of these. It's almost done. Let's go to the market. I need to find something to put at this back. Yeah, just swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to get out on the wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. 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 Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah, it's all the shots that you don't say. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be I just came back home. As you guys can see, my place is looking so messy. I need to finish packing all the stuffs on the floor right now. then maybe probably talk to you guys. I have still not buy the chair yet. This is the money, but I think the chair will be low, but I really want it as well to be sitting down on, like if I want to eat. Is it 120? The money count. Let's try out this light. This is the light I bought yesterday. I don't know if it's okay, but I want to hang the curtain first. Oh god, they are quarreling outside. And this door, let's I open it, because if not, it will not be nice. It has this metal thing. I think I have to remove this sticker behind and put it on the wall. That is what I want. But oh my god. This is the problem when you rent a big compound, like this. 2 3 days, somebody they will be quarreling. It was raining, so it kind of cold a bit. Yeah. And this is the chair. That's what I'm sitting on. Yeah, all the stuffs are here, but I'm trying to see if you guys can see me clearly, because the door is at the side, the window is at the side. So I got these two bowls because I don't have any bowl here, and I don't want to buy too much because when I will be moving, I'm not sure if I will be going with all these stuffs. It's very nice. You can eat rice, pap, porridge, spaghetti, because I don't have indomie here. Spaghetti, like anything, even banku soup, you can use this rubber. So I decided to get this color black because why not? And and I also bought one cup. I was tempted to get the two because it was pink and ash color, but I decided to go with this pink. Yeah, it matches with the black aesthetic. So this is how the cup is. It's a rubber cup. It's really cute. Like it's really really cute. I don't want to buy any. I've not even seen that, like what I really wanted. I've not seen it, so that is why I just bought this one. I'm not buying any three for now. Seriously, I need to manage. And I also grabbed one of these. I only bought 2 spoons, the same design of the fork for my spaghetti. Like this, I bought this one because this comb is not even strong for my for my natural hair. So I bought this mirror. I loved it. They has the pink. I should have taken the pink, but I don't know. I just love this color, like butter color, and it has this love at the back, like to do my makeup. We'll start doing our makeup soon because it's been 1 year, a whole 1 year I've not done my makeup yet. Take home and 2 zip for my sewing project. I don't know what I'll be using zip for, but I guess I'll definitely use it. I think it is 3, not 2. 3, yeah. 3 of those zip. And so this light has its own solar, like this. It's so cute. I'm not even using it. You guys know I have a bigger solar. It comes with a solar. Yeah, and with this long charger. And why not? I bought a pair of slippers. Because you guys know I'm a nude girl. I got perfume. It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells like, yeah, smell like berries. Okay, I got those. And this is so strong for my natural hair. I love the fact that it is wood. And I got myself some few things. I also grabbed chalk and some accessories. I bought those bowls. It looks so good. I love the fact that it is moved two of these, and I got those two tiny ones in different color. This like a everyday earring. I'm tired of wearing this one, guys. It's the time of the month. Yeah, so I'm tired of wearing this one, so I'll remove this one. Like this will be like my everyday earring. Grab these rings. Yeah, this earring. It has this gold diamond on it. And I also grab, yeah, eyelash. I don't have the one strip here, so this is the only one. And I also bought white polish. To see white polish in this town, not easy. I'm trying to sew like 2 bonnets with this elastic, or maybe 3. And the major thing of this shopping, I show you guys some few curtains. Like I really wanted, the curtains were very nice, but they were so expensive, so I decided to just go with the one I can afford right now. You guys know we are not staying here forever, just a short amount of period, but you know me already. You know me, I want this place to feel like home. When I wake up in the morning, like I feel something good, not just this boring paint.